Good day, and welcome to our comprehensive update on the current bearish trend in the stock market. Investors are currently witnessing a decline in prices and profits, driven by a number of factors. These include global uncertainties, such as geopolitical tensions and trade conflicts, as well as weak economic data and negative corporate earnings reports. As a result, market sentiment has shifted towards a cautious and risk-averse approach, with investors looking to minimize losses and protect their assets. In this environment, it's important for investors to remain vigilant and proactive. This could mean diversifying their portfolios, investing in defensive sectors such as utilities or consumer staples, or even reducing their exposure to equities altogether. For those with a longer-term investment horizon, a bearish market could present attractive buying opportunities, with valuations becoming more attractive as prices drop. As always, it's important to stay informed and seek professional advice when making investment decisions. Our team will continue to monitor the situation closely, and provide timely updates and insights on the ever-changing world of finance. Thank you for tuning in,